Hello to all. This is the part 6 of our chapter digestion and absorption, and in the previous video we have discussed the teeth, okay, and today the remaining portion of the teeth we are discussing, and that is the human teeth are diphyodont. Now what is di? Di means two, twice, okay. Majority of the mammals including the human beings forms two sets of teeth during their lifespan. Again I am repeating, majority of the mammals including the human beings form two sets of the teeth during their lifespan. Out of the two sets of the teeth, one set of the teeth is called as the temporary teeth or the milk teeth or the deciduous teeth, which fall and are replaced by a set of the permanent or the adult teeth, and hence this type of the dentation found in the human beings is called as diphyodont. Is it clear? So teeth erupts two times. Diphyodont means in the case of the human beings, two sets of the teeth occur during their entire lifespan. One set of the teeth is called as the milk teeth or the temporary teeth or the deciduous teeth, which are replaced by a set of the permanent or the adult teeth, and this type of dentation found in the human beings and other majority of the mammals is called as diphyodont. Now the question arises that are all the types of the teeth found in the human beings, that is all the 32 teeth found in the human beings, right, are diphyodont? No, it's not true. You must know that out of the 32 teeth in the human beings, the 20 teeth are only diphyodont, while the 12 teeth are monophyodont, means they erupt one time only. Is it clear? So you must know that which are that 20 teeth, right, which are diphyodont, and which are that 12 teeth which are monophyodont. Okay, so diphyodont, the teeth which appear twice in life. It's very simple. Diphyodont means the teeth which appear twice in life. Now in the previous video you know about the number of the incisor, canine, premolar and molar teeth, that you know very well. Now what I want to say, incisors, canines, all the incisors, all the canines, and first and second molars are diphyodont teeth. Why? Because they appear twice in life. Again I am repeating, all the incisors, all the canines, and the first and the second molars are diphyodont teeth. They appear twice in life. We know very well that incisors are total 8. Incisors are total 8, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So 8. Canines are 4, 2 in the upper jaw, 2 in the lower jaw. So 4 canines, and first and second molars, 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So 20 teeth in we people are diphyodont. Okay. Now remaining 12 teeth are monophyodont. Mono means one time. Okay. The teeth which appear only once in life, the teeth which appear only once in life are called as the monophyodont teeth. Now all the premolars and last molars of the man, all the premolars and the last molars of the man are monophyodont, and they erupt only once in lifetime. Now we know very well, in the previous video we have studied that premolars are 8 in number, and the last molars, because last molars means first and second molars are these, they are diphyodont, they were 8 in number, but the last molars of the man are also called as the third molars, which are also called as the wisdom teeth, and they can erupt in between 18 to 25 age anytime. Okay, so these last molars of the man are 4 in number, and the premolars are 80 number, and the premolars are 80 number. So 12 plus 4 means 8 plus 4 is equal to what? 12. 8 premolars and 4 last molars. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So we can say ultimately that 20 teeth are diphyodont and 12 teeth are monophyodont. So 20 plus 12 is equal to 32 teeth total. So by the above discussion, we can say that out of the 32 teeth, there are 20 teeth which are diphyodont and there are 12 teeth which are monophyodont. But here I have written one more term which is not written for the mammals or the human beings, right? Polyphyodont. Just now we have studied diphyodont, monophyodont, but there are some creatures which have polyphyodont teeth. Poly means many times. So the teeth which appear more than twice, the teeth which appear more than twice in the lifetime are called as the polyphyodont teeth. Examples are the fish and the amphibians, but it is out of the part of our discussion. That's why we are not discussing this polyphyodont teeth in detail. Okay, again I am repeating, the teeth which appear more than twice in lifetime are polyphyodont. Examples are fishes and amphibians. Is it clear? One more thing at the last you must know, that in the previous video we have studied that human teeth are heterodont, means 4 different types of the teeth are present. Today we have studied that the human teeth are diphyodont, right? Although some teeth are monophyodont also, but generally 20 teeth are diphyodont. And one more term is used for the human teeth, and that is known as the thecodont. Thecodont term suggests that the teeth which are present in the socket of jaw bones, the teeth which are embedded, right, in the socket of the jaw bones are called as the thecodont teeth. Say for the human beings are also having the thecodont teeth, and the crocodiles are also having the thecodont teeth. Okay, so altogether I can say that human teeth are heterodont, diphyodont. Human teeth are heterodont, diphyodont and thecodont. Is it clear? So thanks a lot for watching me. In the upcoming video we will be discussing the dentation, okay, or the dental formula of the human beings. So thanks a lot.